All right, more motorcycle content. This video is going to be kind of a quick and dirty, just an install video with no real custom content. I'm going to be installing a Fender Eliminator kit, and I'm going to be putting that on my DRZ. Basically, we're going to remove all this black stuff right here, just leave the fender, the white part of the fender, and install a new LED taillight. The kit that I bought for that is this RNG Racing one. This is the contents of the kit right here. Basically, it's just a new LED taillight, this bracket, and some hardware in order to get everything mounted. Okay, first of all, I've already got the seat removed here. Basically, just have to disconnect this wiring harness that goes to the taillight and the turn signals. Now I noticed that on my turn signals, the previous owner has done a repair. Must have replaced the turn signals at some point. So there's some electrical tape and some wiring that is not stock. Okay, the instructions for the taillight actually tell you to clip this harness and splice in the new taillight to this. I'm not going to do that because I happen to have blank plugs that will mate up with this connector right here. So I'll leave the stock assembly in place and just make up a new harness that'll plug right into the stock DRZ harness. And as I noted, these turn signals, they're these big clumps of electrical tape where the previous owner spliced them into some like aftermarket wiring here. So I'm just going to make up new ones, and this is actually, this white wire, white and black wire, is actually solid core. It's not suitable for use on the motorcycle. So anyway, we'll upgrade that. Okay, that wraps up the Taidy project. All in all, not too bad. Had a little bit of extra time because I decided to go above and beyond on the wiring part of the project and take care of some untidy wiring that the previous owner put together. But I think it looks pretty good. Definitely like getting rid of that big chunk of plastic masquerading as a fender. Really cleans up the back of the bike. You can see where my loom comes in here, and then my new connector here to the factory harness. I'll put a link in the video description. You can get these plugs right here in a kit. I think I paid 16 bucks for all sorts of different plug sizes. In fact, I'll show you the kit here. I'm going to be using it here on my next project on the bike. But yeah, it comes with these plugs, and these are used in a few places on the DRZ. The one I just used is this one right here, this 3-plug one. And these are, I believe the name is Fujitomo. They're, I think, a 100 series. Not 100% sure. I'll put the correct information in the video description, but I found this kit invaluable working on the DRZ because there are several plugs just like this throughout the bike, and so it's been nice to be able to make up my own stuff to tie into the wiring harness. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.